Let me see you go back. Let me see you come forward.
Intend to launch
Now let me see you
to
go
launch the project. Okay, shall we also have the leader of the Yes for Peace project, Mr. Umar Mohammed? And okay, well, this is my own discretion. I want to invite the JCR president of the Okay, and I hope you guys are committed to peace. Okay, so maybe you should add sharp for peace. Sharp for peace. Thank you very much. Okay, shall we have Rosemary, Prince Enchi, Stephen Ajololo, and Zinat bring the banner in front? I think we can do it in front. And then I'll hand over the mic to the chairperson, and you share a few words, and then we'll declare the Yes for Peace project launched.
Okay. It's been a wonderful moment that we are advocating peace for the youth. It couldn't have been done at any better time, even though we're supposed to have peace entrenched, not just once in 4 years, but throughout. Well, on behalf of my colleagues here, all the dignitaries, and these wonderful people, all of you here, I declare the project duly launched.
So Yes for Peace, the role of the youth in the peaceful election 2012 has been launched, and that's the banner for Yes for Peace project. And these are the wonderful people that have joined us to launch this project. We would want to take a few pictures from this point on. Shall I please have the technical people roll up the projector screen, and then we can have those in the Yes for Peace t-shirt join the dignitaries to take some group photographs so that we can do some media placements. We thank you all very much for your active participation. It is a time to remember, because hopefully, by virtue of this project, young people in Ghana will stay away from violence. Young people in Ghana will pursue peace. And I want to say that it's an awesome moment. It's a very wonderful spectacle to have this project. While we are getting together for the photographs, I'd like to invite